and I'm back again with another video. As you can tell by today's title, I'm bringing you a Target haul. So if you're anything like me, I walk into Target all the time. No real purpose. I just wait for Target to tell me what it is I need from there. So my favorite guilty pleasure is going to the dollar section at Target. So I got a bunch of little dollar things and I'm gonna share with you what I got on this Target trip. So, full disclaimer, everything in this haul was $1 except for 4 items. After that, everything else was $1. Let me just show you the things that were not $1 first, and then we'll get into the dollar items. So first things first, I got these really cute little ceramic decor items. I'm trying to be really careful because I don't want them to break. This one is a really cute bowl type plate, and this was $5. And I love the look of it. It looks like really expensive, and it has kind of like a wood type of finished look, and these two do as well. They're little vases, and these two were also $5. I just feel like this will be really cute all together. I feel like here you can put like some wheat plant or something, or some flowers, some little sticks or something. I don't know. I just think that they're really cute. And then for this one, you can put fruit on it, or I don't know, potpourri, candles, pretty much anything. And then the last item that is not $1 are these silicone ice trays. I've always wanted one of these like sphere ice trays. So I got it, and it was $3 for this. So I'm kind of excited for this. I've seen TikToks where girls put coffee in them for like their iced coffee. So I kind of want to try that. Okay, so everything else is $1. Okay, well, let's not look at that. First things first, Christmas is on its way. So gotta re-up on the tape. So I got the 2-pack of Scotch tape. Can't beat $1. Even the Dollar Tree, like, come on. There's like, that's why I love the dollar section at Target, because it's a better deal than going to Dollar Tree and paying $1.25 for the same exact stuff. So good deal. Next, I got tissue paper. I love it. It's white, this really pretty green, and then this black one with trees on it. I'm trying to figure out what my wrapping paper theme is. Last year, under my Christmas tree, I used like brown wrapping paper, like packaging paper, you know, like from the post office, like just straight up like a brown paper bag. And I love the minimalist kind of aesthetic. I just did straight up all the packages brown with a green ribbon, and it looked so cute. So I'm thinking I'm going with the same kind of theme, but I really like the black and white. So I think I might do black, white, and green. I'm not sure. We'll see. Next are the holiday bags. I just had to get them. They're only $1 and they're so cute. Each one comes in a 2-pack. So there's 2 different ones. So this one is a cute little bear. It's like a little polar bear. I think it's gonna look so cute with the tissue paper. And then this one is brown with little snowflakes, and then the front has a cute little tree. This last 2-pack is so cute. It's white with snowflakes and a cute pink ribbon. And then the other side is like a nice brown with a white ribbon. And it has a little wreath that says Jingle All the Way in the middle. So cute. Okay. And this last bag is actually something that I'm really excited for. I'm not like super into football, but I do enjoy watching it with my dad. That's kind of like our little fun thing that we do sometimes at my house. So I'm kind of like prepping for like a Super Bowl or something like that, because I figured they're only $1. I might as well stock up. And at my job, we like do the squares like every week for the Bears. So I think last week I won $50, and then like a couple weeks ago I won $100. So I'm always watching the game just to see if I won some money. So that's like my new favorite thing now. Your girl is a sports girly. I don't really understand the game, but it's just fun to watch and be a part of something, right? So the first thing is this 6-count pack of paper cups. How cute. They're brown little footballs, and I just think they're adorable. Next are these food trays with like, clearly I don't know anything about football because I don't know what these are called. What is it called? What is it called when they have these little, whatever, little measurements that is on the little grass when you watch a little game? That's what it's supposed to be. And each pack comes with 4 trays. So I just got these. I figured like to do a little stadium, you can put like popcorn, little chips. I was even thinking doing like a little charcuterie type of board because that's my thing. Every time my parents and my brothers come over, I always have a charcuterie board and they devour it. Like you can never go wrong with a good little charcuterie board with the cheese and the meats and the crackers. I like to do olives. So I was thinking having some fun with this. Next, I got these cute little plates. How cute are these? They're 6 to a pack. So I got 2 and they're just so cute, these little footballs. So I don't know, they just made me smile, and I figured like, you know, so you can grab your little charcuterie because, you know, like Super Bowl is for snacking, right? Like we're not eating. I mean, like you order a pizza and that's pretty much it, but these cute little plates are adorable. Do you see the vision? Someone with their plate and their cup, and we're just go team having a good time. And then next I got 2 packs of napkins. They're super cute disposable napkins. They come in this style, black and white with a little football helmet, and then the little like playbook type of thing with the little footballs, the little pointer finger, like the foam finger. You got the little flag, the little goal thing, whatever that's called. Like, I don't know, it says touchdown on it. Like, they're just too cute. And they are 8-count napkins. So I got 2 of these. And then the final thing I got was this cute little blanket. It's a little, well, right now it's still, let me just undo this real quick. Look at this. It's a football. How cute is this? So I just thought it was adorable. So I can like drape it over one of my couches because I have like a sofa and like a love seat. So I was thinking like draping over one of the couches as like decor. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. And so I got the little football, little throw blanket. I love a good throw blanket. I have a million of them. And if anyone ever wants to give me one, I'm like, why not? I can always use another one. I love blankets. So that's all. It's just a little quick haul. And I wanted to show you guys. I thank you guys so much for sticking by my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I promise I'm gonna keep trying to work at it. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I thank you guys so much for watching my channel and continuing to support my channel. If you like videos like this or would like to get notified every time I upload a new video, don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.